Okay, start. Hello guys.
Hi guys.
Today we are going to interview our dear colleagues, our tech cadet and electrical cadet. So say hi to the camera.
Hi.
So since Ramesh is going sign off,
Yeah.
so we don't can ask question to Ramesh.
I'm not the interviewer. I think you are the.
Yeah. So Ramesh, this is your last vessel to become
The
Electrical
yes,
officer.
yes,
electrical
that's right.
officer, right? So how many months you on board already?
It's about 12 months.
12 months. So what are your duties and responsibilities?
Oh my god.
My major duty is to look after the reefers, which is the baby of this vessel. That's always important. Reefers are the important. The main aim of our vessel, the shipping industry, is to transfer the cargo from point A to point B.
Yeah.
So that's the main. That's the income provider, and we are all working towards that. We look into that. Our cargo is safely transferred from point A to point B. Yeah, that's our main. That's the source of our income.
Yeah.
So we look after the main thing, that's reefer.
Okay.
Refrigeration container, which which maintains the quality of the cargo.
Then we go to middle.
Yeah, and I also do all the electrical maintenance.
Electrical maintenance.
Electrical maintenance and the electronics. I look after everything.
So if
That's related to electrical and
for
electronics.
example, if next vessel you become electrical officer and nobody electrician already, you can handle
Yeah.
all the job already.
Yeah, we always have a manual which guides us. Yeah, guide us to troubleshoot any malfunction.
So,
And I also read through manuals now in my cadetship training, so I'm pretty good at troubleshooting.
my friend told me everything has wire is electrical.
Yeah, everything,
Any problem, yeah. He will call
Yeah.
will call you.
Whenever there's a break in wire or something happens in wire, whenever they'll call me. Wire or electric.
Okay. Interesting, huh? Still cadet, but so much load, too much load. I see. Too much pressure.
Yeah, you can see us working day by day.
Pressure.
You know this pressure, yeah, it comes when I'm a cadet. I have pressure because I should learn. That's the pressure we have.
Yeah.
This is on-job training. We learn from our job. So obviously I have a pressure. But after when I become a senior electrician, I would have an assistant. If I have an assistant, I would have a good time.
Normally no assistant.
You know the one thing about this cadets and crew, apart from the administrative officers, the officers and crew just have to like work what they are given. They just have to complete it by the end of the day.
Yes.
But for us, it's after the working hours we have to study. We have to do our records, get signature from the officers, which is about us. Then everything we have to do after the working hours. So basically, like if I'm getting 6 hours of rest, 4 hours will be gone for this fucking this college record thing and all. So basically, we are getting only 2 hours of rest. Yeah, of course, yes. 2 hours.
Yeah, that's the thing. You should work hard. No,
It's like a baby
it's
step
worth
towards
this.
office.
Like juice worth the squeeze.
So since you're going to sign up, what is your plan? I think you will take the examination to get the license. After
Yeah,
that.
I take exam in my MMD nearby my place, and I'll be appear for exam. Yeah,
Around how much is
and
the
both written and oral, and
how much is the pay?
I should go for courses like high voltage course and something else that's
Prerequisite.
firefighting. So that costs much, like it's like $200 maybe, something like that.
So you Kerala, right? Kerala.
I'm from Kerala.
He's Kerala and I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Ah,
Nearby
I
Kerala.
have friend in Kerala and then I have Tamil Nadu also. Woman, mechanical engineer, previous job. Mechanical engineer, so from Kerala. So we go to middle. Introduce yourself, ma'am. This is our base cadet. He handle major operation, right hand of
Driving.
Ravi.
Driving. Yeah.
So, how's your how many months remaining? Stay
Now
on
just
board?
1 month remaining.
Just
So,
1 month. Finish the cadetship, 12 months, and then become officer. Something.
Yeah.
So, what is your plan after what is the plan after this
Sign off.
cadetship?
After this cadetship, I'll be like rushing for probably 1 month, and only after that I'll be going for my exams and all studies. I have to prepare for those exams, and I have to do before that preparing exams. I have to do plenty of courses, like maybe 10 or 12 courses I have to. Yes, advanced HTCP courses in GMDSS.
I don't have
Then,
that much
yeah,
books.
Shoulder pocket or
Then-
company shoulder this one?
No, previously like maybe 5-6 years ago, a company was paying for all of it,
Oh.
but now we have to pay from our own pocket. I think it's gonna cost around maybe more than $3,000. Yeah, for the entire thing, including the exams, passing, all those things. So first I have to attend these kind of courses, maybe 10-15 courses should be there. And after that only I'm eligible to apply for this MMT exam, second mates exam. It's called second mates. We only have to do this. Yeah, there is no exams for the second, to become a second officer, but we only have to attend only one exam. With the second
and second
yeah,
right?
exactly.
Two license,
Yes, two licenses,
position,
one
one
shot.
license, and then
Yeah.
chief officer, captain also one
One,
section.
yeah, total 3 only.
And MD is what? Master Mariner?
Yeah, Master of Merchant Marines. Departments, Mercantile Marine Department, it's called as.
You also in India, right? Just
Yeah, I also.
What?
Whatever related to marine department, it's handled by MMD.
Oh. So you can you tell how difficult is the cadet on board just now. Yeah, you tell everybody.
Nothing is difficult if you have a passion for whatever you do.
Yeah.
Nothing is difficult here. Yeah, it's hard work here because we have only
Physical, huh?
yeah, physically we do work, but as we have a passion towards our profession, we don't find it difficult.
It's not about the physical stress, it's all about mentally how you are coping up with this all stress and all. It's all about that.
Yeah, I see Midon helping us and pulling the big rope.
Yeah.
He's
With
also
this
trying, he's trying his
yeah,
best.
yeah.
He's so
The thingy
physical
body.
every day, but he's trying also very hard. It's good.
But if people come by force of their parents or some other force, then they might feel difficult. They should come on their own will to join Merchant Navy, so they can feel good. Yeah,
And
if it's like that, it's a good job. No profession, nice profession.
And the people hear about the word like Merchant Navy, they'll be thinking like these people are like so royal, they'll be earning like maybe $5,000, $10,000 per month and all, but no one knows what we are doing here on board other than accept us. It's all, yeah.
Yeah, we do earn more only when you work hard and become a great officer, then you can earn more. Yeah.
But last time you
And
told
this
me-
is a field where even a guy with who's 30 years old can become a chief engineer or chief captain or whatever. If they start early, they'll become a great officer early in a higher rank. So they earn more and they have a greater reputation and contribution to their country. Yeah. That's a good thing about Merchant Navy.
in India, I heard your parents are general, like public office.
So, yes.
Rich.
Rich? What do you mean rich?
Rich? No rich.
No one's rich.
Everyone
It's
like,
like
we are coming from a basic family, like
yeah.
middle class.
Middle
House
class,
for
yeah.
$3,000, very expensive. For us, very expensive.
$3,000.
For us also it's very expensive. That's why we do a cadetship and do hard work here. Huh?
Even $450 is
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
what do you call it? It is a big amount
Yeah,
for us.
we joined here for $450. That itself it's a big amount. Big money for us. Even though our parents are offering the money because they want a bright future for us.
So your parents also seaman or?
No. I'm the only seaman from my family.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the first generation. I'm also the first generation. My brother, but he's also a cadet, engine cadet. He's the one who showed me this line. Mostly people don't have awareness about this. You know, my only passion is to find a career where I can follow my core department, that is electrical and electronics.
Yeah.
That's my basic idea. But in my country, they pay a very low. Yeah, the pay is very low for my job related to my core. So I choose.
Even the doctors, engineers, everyone is
Yeah.
earning like way lesser than us.
Oh, really?
Even the cadetship, yeah.
Yeah.
Even the doctors are getting, maybe you can say, how many hours I'm
Really?
basically low in calculation, but in Indian money it's about 50,000 bucks, 50,000 Indian rupees. They are
That is
earning
more
below
or less
that.
500,
Yeah,
550,
it's
something
around,
like that.
1 lakh, how much?
600, it's more less than 600.
600, yeah, it's less than 600.
1 lakh, how much? I heard it was 1 lakh.
70,000 is like $1,000.
$1,000, 1 lakh.
Yeah.
No, not 1 lakh.
75,000.
Oh, too much.
Yeah. India is a poor country. That's why we came to name Merchant Navy. Yeah?
No, I think India is rich now.
Yeah, India is developing, but it's still developing. You know, we don't know when we will become developed.
We have a great government, so probably like
Good, good, good.
Yeah, great government, which good. Yeah, good.
yeah.
Who is now? Mahatma Gandhi now?
Muhammad Gandhi is dead.
No,
No, Prime Minister.
Gandhi is dead.
now it's Narendra Modi,
Yeah.
the star of India.
So, since Ramesh is going, can you tell some wish good luck for him?
Of course, good luck.
Yeah.
Good luck.
It will always be coming.
That too, our place is nearby, so
Yeah.
and also
Oh,
my.
nearby? How long is
Of
that?
course, yes. It's 10 hours of in
It's
train.
like one night.
One night only. And also I'll be doing my exams, not exams, probably my all of my higher goals and all in this place,
Oh.
Chennai. So.
But you stay his house free, no need to rent.
Yeah. But you know,
But
from
the
Chennai,
college,
it's,
Chennai
from
is like a
Chennai,
big city,
yeah.
you know, so we cannot
Yeah.
do that. My college is like heavy, it's remote, right? My college.
Yeah.
Mumbai is far or?
Mumbai is
very
far.
far.
Yeah, it's like,
It's very far.
But the richest city in the India is Mumbai, right?
And also we have slums there.
Huh?
Have you seen this? Watch this Slumdog Millionaire?
Yeah, I like that one.
That slum also is from
But
Mumbai.
my friend from Nandra, I think there's a many good movie inside Slumdog Millionaire.
yeah.
Plenty. So, sign up tomorrow?
Yeah, sign off.
So is
So it's translate, during translate.
And also one of the funny factors that of cadets is like we don't have to wait for the videos and all. We can just directly sign off.
Yeah.
I don't need
officers
a
like have to expect for
Yes.
these relievers and all, and plenty of times they are this what you call a sign off will be getting cancelled, but for us it's not like that. We can just directly sign off whenever we are convenient. That is
So,
the problem.
Ramesh, what can you say about our management? What can you say about that?
You mean
Our management.
Top
Merce
management.
management.
No, from captain.
Our
From
vessel.
person, yeah.
Yeah. Everyone is really good. You know, it's all about you. How you handle things. Then that's how people treat you. How you see yourself is how people treat you. You know? That's how things work here. So people are treating you. Sometimes I screw up things.
Yes.
Everyone does.
They'll
You are just sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah. They'll yeah. When things screw up, people used to. That's it's obvious. That's how you learn. You know?
My previous vessel, the AB Captain Thomas Legis cannot eat because he feel too much. He cannot eat now because too much. It's a normal life in on board. So Milan, how can you get inspired other cadet? Are you going to?
I don't think that
Required,
I'm like that showcase piece to inspire all of them. But still, everyone will be like they can inspire by themselves. It's not like someone should be inspire them to work or like to see future ahead. Nothing like that. They can inspire themselves.
5 years from now, what do you think?
Okay.
Yeah, how you say yourself 5 years from now?
5 years from now,
Different company?
No way. I'll be sticking to Moscow itself. Moscow is my life.
Yeah, yeah.
So probably within 5 years, I'll be becoming a second mate. Yeah, of course, a second mate.
Three. How much are the requirements?
There is no like specific requirements for like
years,
It's all about
second
content.
mate, 4 years, and
nothing like that.
No?
If you're getting like good appraisals in every contract and also recommendations are there. Like if you're doing a good job in the vessel, there will be chief mate or captain will be promoter recommending for the promotion. So if you get a good recommendation in every contract, you'll be becoming a second officer or senior officer soon. Sure about that. You see our last captain Ravi, he's like how many years old? 35, 34, 35. Yeah. He become a captain 35 years old. It's a good thing.
That's what I told you. If you work
So,
hard, it's easy to
Yeah, I
get
say
promotion
Captain
and
Ravi is very of the heart. We want to do something, he make sure it's.
yeah, he makes sure that you get what he wants.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. That's how you should be, no? That's how things should. That's how things will work.
Yeah. That's why my extension letter push every day. Office wake up. So, you after 5 years from now, what you have business? I think
Yeah.
you own business. No more on board.
Yeah, I'll be doing the business, but I'll keep that as a side hustle, and I'll make this as my priority. It's like a gold duck which hatches golden egg. So you never cut off the stomach of a golden duck.
So 5 years from now, you married or single?
Within few months itself you'll be getting married, so it's not about.
Oh, you're waiting married?
Yeah, they're looking for a bride.
Oh, looking
If
for
someone is there watching this, please apply.
You
Follow
can
me.
always apply for
Yeah.
that.
Same, because Chinese they will arrange, parents will arrange the.
Yeah, it's
Like
in
that,
Asia it's like
they
that.
give money.
In Asians are always dependent on their parents. That's the thing I hate about Asia. That's the thing I hate about myself.
That too, like even age of ours, right?
Yeah.
23, 24 years guys, like boys will be dependent upon their parents. It's not a good thing, right?
Yeah.
It's okay.
But
it's,
now
it's,
for us, it's like parents are depending on us. It's a good thing.
In other countries, it's like they'll start earning from the age of 18, which is a good thing.
Yes.
That's a good thing. But for us, it's not like that. We should do our
No,
whatever.
Western, you 18, you must separate the parents.
Yeah.
You must work yourself.
For your education also, you should work on
Yes.
yourself. That's a good thing.
So, can you say something to your
To inspire people.
Fellow colleagues.
I'm not in a stage.
your friend, classmates before? Maybe they will say
We are in a stage that
Yeah.
someone should inspire us.
Yeah. We are just in the starting stage.
Yeah.
We are not so great. We didn't achieve anything yet.
So just 1 year from
You
now.
already achieved for me, you already finished bachelor.
Yeah. It's like
Exams.
I have finished
Holding a bachelor degree isn't a big deal because anyone in India, not in India, anyone in any part of the world get that thing. Bachelor of degree is not a big deal.
getting a paper of a degree.
Oh, really?
That doesn't mean nothing to any of the organization. They don't want that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Any of the organization don't want that.
What do you want, experience?
They want experience. Yeah. If someone is watching, I'm not in a stage to advise, but if they want some suggestion, start. Don't waste your time. Just start whatever you get the chance. If you got a chance, small chance, whatever, just take it and move towards your dream. Yeah.
Just stepping
Just
stone.
it's just a stepping stone. Whatever you do, you learn something that will help you in future. That's how I started my career as in my country it's like $100. I started my career in $100.
Yeah.
That includes my food, expense for food and hostel
Everything,
everything.
right?
Yeah,
Oh, still.
$100, and I'll get like what? I don't have any money. I'll just spend on food and accommodation. That's
But
it.
if you married, how? No
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, right? You know,
Even
that's
now, people, everyone is, most of the 90% of the guys like us, it's like that only. Even my cousin, he's working for $100. $100, you can imagine, right?
Yeah.
$100 within this accommodation, food, everything has to pay by himself.
yeah.
With $100, $100 is 7,000 rupees.
You know, the reason why I took the job, I don't want to waste my time anymore. After I finish my degree, I don't want to waste my time. So I take the job, take the offer.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how I started my career, and now I worked there for about 2 years for the same salary. Now I'm just I'll not say that I've achieved much, but at least I'm earning $450 as a cadet,
But
which is just the next step for me.
But electrical officer on board, how much they have? 6,000? 8,000?
It's like
4,000?
you're it's nearly third engineers, 4,000, $5,000. Depends on the company, and if you join
They
a
should
tanker,
learn because according to what you say, like bachelor degrees and all, he's like way higher than us because he's having, what is that, BTech, right? Almost.
Yeah, BTech.
He's having BTech engineering, and after that he has work experience in that field,
Yeah.
and also after that he applied for this triple E course and finished that and came on board. But for just me, it's just like this BSc in Nautical Science and Advocate that directly came after that. So according to that degree, he's higher than me.
he did I think 4 years.
No,
4
3
years,
years.
3 years, 3 years course.
3
And
years.
I did like 4 years course in BTech, B Electronics and Communication, or triple E. They accept electrical and electronics engineer also. So then I do a 6-month course which cost about 3 lakhs in Indian money. That's about $4,000, $5,000 for 4 months course. You know,
Too much.
too much. Yeah, it's people are spending the money, and my parents believe me and put the money on me because because of the they believe me that I'll do something.
Your parents, what job to go like?
My mom is a teacher and dad is like vehicle in charge, you can say. It's like transportation in charge in the school. Both are school.
And my mom is a homemaker, and my father he owns a beauty parlor, beauty salon, but he's no more. He helped me in my struggles, and when I just started my career, he's no more.
That's good input from you. So when we, because we don't very good duty,
Yeah.
can you say something to thank you, Marsanya?
It's always, I'll always be thankful this mosque line is my life to say, yeah, thank you so much.
To mosque, when even you have a greater strength and every technical knowledge, whatever knowledge you have, and you are good in what you do, you should get an opportunity. My first opportunity is given the mosque. I'm really thankful to mosque.
Thank you, Mars. I also first time in Mars. It was in pandemic.
I grown up seeing mosque vehicle
Yeah,
tankers
going
going here and there, and I'm really proud that I started working here. I
And also
get a
in
chance.
every films, we can see this mosque containers and mosque logo. By
Yeah.
seeing that itself, we'll be like,
Yeah.
so
We
the
got-
goosebumps will be there.
That's
Actually, my ship
that's how-
alongside in Japan.
Yeah.
In coming month like this, very big. All this ship like this be sometime someday.
That's how-
So
yeah.
I apply, I go, I apply.
That's how things work.
Yeah.
Started.
Number one, Mars. In
Yeah,
the
mosque
world
is
now.
number 2.
Okay.
Number
No,
one.
number one.
Number 1 container.
Number one container.
Yes.
Was
Mosque is the
Number 2 is
you feel very proud to work in the world's number 1 container
Yeah.
shipping company. That's
just
yeah.
number one.
Yeah.
Safety also good for
They also always follow. Companies take much care for the crew.
please subscribe my Indian friends.
Of course, yes, please
We
subscribe
have
to
1
this
billion,
channel.
Yeah.
Very good.
people.
Friends,
1
please.
billion, right? We are
Yeah, we have more than 1 billion, man.
It's
Okay,
billion.
subscriber, I don't need to work. I already 1 billion. 1 billion.
Yeah. Please, friends, please
Please do
subscribe.
this channel.
You can also.
Prince Carlos channel. Yeah. Khalid, my friend. He's always a friend.
Oh, 600. Good luck. Good luck
Thank you.
you. Hopefully see you next time. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Oh, Usama. Captain Rabi will be watching